This is a vibrant, wholesome salad that's not only nourishing but also bursting with colors and textures. Mama Mary here, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're starting with a generous bed of Italian spring leaves packed with fiber and antioxidants. Next, I'm adding juicy tomatoes. This brings subtle sweetness and burst of freshness to every bite. And this diced crunchy cucumbers rich with fiber, adding some golden kernels, slightly sweet, and a great source of energy. Now for some creamy avocado, rich in healthy fats and always a good idea in any salad. Then comes the feta cheese, a tangy, salty, and delicious. It ties all the flavors together and adds a Mediterranean flair. These boiled eggs sliced perfectly for the creamy texture and extra protein. And for the star of the dish, roasted salmon, tender, flaky, and full of omega-3 goodness. Now the dressing, a classic zesty blend of extra virgin oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. I whisk it until smooth and drizzle it generously over the salad. Give it a gentle toss, and there you have it, a hearty, balanced, and beautiful salad that fuels your body and satisfies your soul. Health doesn't have to be boring. It can be your joyful, colorful, and truly delicious. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next bowl of goodness. See you again in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this healthy recipe to your friends. Bye!